guys! Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I will be sharing you guys my study area. So I'll be touring you guys here, and this is where I mostly do online classes, do some org stuff, or anything na kailangan ko na naka-sit sa chair ko and use my laptop. So please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. That's it, and let's get started. So let's start first in this area. This is where most of my random stuff are placed above. So this is my Sunny's na eyeglass container. And ayun yung pouch lang ng dossier. So the next one beside it naman is this transparent frame. I mentioned this in my Shopee and Lazada haul. If you guys want to check it out, I'll be inserting a card above here so you guys can find all those stuff that I've mentioned or I will be mentioning later on. And lastly, this one naman, this is a paper bag na merong dried flowers inside. And I bought these two separately. Pero yun, nilagay ko na lang sa paper bag kasi mas cute siya tingnan. So below the other shelf is another shelf. And this one naman on the right side is just yung parang cube na date or something. Pero kasi, yun kasi DIY ko lang, inimba ko lang yung colors niyan. So, handwritten yung mga letters and numbers. So, medyo pangit, kaya parang gusto ko pa siya ulitin. Pero, okay. Anyways, yung next one beside it is just some Sunny's spray paint na nail polish. Kasi cute yung color scheme, so nilagay ko na lang dyan. And then, this one naman, wala. Ano lang siya, random books lang. Beside the shelf naman is this grid in white. And di ko po siya masyado nalalagyan kasi palipat-lipat ako nung nilalagay. And I'm gonna fix this soon. Pero yan lang naman yung purpose dyan is I just wanna put some pictures, postcard, yun. And anything na I'd like to keep on my wall. So let's move on to my desk. So on this part, I just have my Sunny specs na for screen, the eyeglasses, and then I have my Hydro Flask and a coaster. Dito naman, this is where I put most of the pens I usually use. And then, ito naman, this is a vase with fake flowers kasi hindi yan mabubuhay sa akin kung totoo yan. And then anyway, ito naman, this is weird looking. Parang you don't know what it is, but it's a trash can. So, ino-open mo lang yung ganyan. Hindi ko napapakita kasi ang daming laman sa loob. Moving on this side naman, this is where I have my laptop. So, ito naman yung wireless na mouse. And I have my laptop here. And then, a laptop stand. And also, a desktop na mat na leather. So, above naman my laptop stand, this is my acrylic calendar that I got from Shopee. And they also can customize any design you want. So, ako naman, ang pinili ko na lang is a simple one na full calendar. And then, merong side for notes. Meron ka rin, pwede rin yata yan na parang you can do it like a weekly one. Depende sa trip mo. Pero, yan, gusto ko lang kasi ng full calendar dahil minsan I forget the dates and I don't wanna buy that yung mga calendar na paper yung nakalagay sa table. So, yan. Also, by the way, this is mounted on the wall. So, if you're planning to buy this, you can have the screws or just buy yung mga command strips if you're feeling like hindi ka sure kung gusto mo siyang nakadikit sa wall na talagang hindi ko na matatanggal. Kasi ako, this is wood. So, it's easier to mount these ones kasi screw lang yung kailangan ko. But if pader yan or concrete wall, mahirapan kayo kasi you guys have to drill muna. So, on this side, I just have my iPad and my iPad stand. And then, ito lang yung pang phone stand ko. I also have a humidifier. Dito rin si Alexa. Tapos, may alcohol lang ako. And adapter. So, moving on to my drawer. So, this is my drawer. So, ito lang yung refill ko for my B5 binder. And then, I have an envelope. And then, I also have a clipboard. Hindi ko na siya nagagamit for the SEM kasi yun nga online. Pero I usually have this sa school. And meron din akong yellow pad and some notebooks. For my other drawer naman, medyo mas messy to pero random to. So meron akong random na paper, notebook, tapos may pouch, tapos this is where I keep my important files. And then I have a small wallet, a bigger wallet, tapos calculator, and then yung pouch ng laptop stand. And then, ito naman yung pencil case ko, wala nang laman. And then, I just have my lagana ng ID ko. And then, ito yung pang screen protector na panglinis. Ayan. And then, lastly, an A3 na tracing paper. And I have my cart. So, this is where I put some of my essentials and mga pang-parky stuff. So, ito sa first layer, nandyan lang yung mga essentials ko. So, wait lang, yan. So, sa first layer, I just have my essentials. So, yan, meron akong moisturizer, lotion, vitamins, alcohol, lotion ulit, dry shampoo, and cotton, and makeup wipes. Meron din akong dalawang brush dyan. And then, this one naman, this is where I keep all my chargers, wires, baka yung basta yung makakalat. And, nandito lang yung vacuum cleaner ko. And then, earphones, ayan. Kalat po. Tapos, yung pang-connect sa HDMI. Ano ba to? Yung case ng Apple Pencil. Yan. Tapos, nandito rin yung hard drive ko, pang-vlogging equipment, mic, tapos yung mga stand. So, on the second layer naman, nandyan lang yung mga Archie stuff ko. Medyo hindi nakita kasi mahirap. Pero nandyan yung mga pens ko, yung pencils, scissors, mga cutter, stapler, ano pa ba, binders, mga pang-refill, mga eraser, and then I just have some different pens here. And then I also have colored pencils. Nandito on there is my anong tawag dito? Mga alcohol markers. Yan, nandyan sila lahat. Tapos may measuring, yan, may measuring tape, panlinis ng desk, pero hindi ko na masyadong nagagamit kasi nga yung vacuum. And then, may tape lang ako. Yan, to-do list. Tapos nandyan na lahat ng mga rulers, tsaka triangles, and templates, pati yung cutting mat ko. Underneath naman, medyo hindi naman yan relevant. Basta nandyan lang yung mga A3 ko na paper. Yan. Underneath my desk, nandyan lang yung bond paper ko. Yan, super random. Bond paper, mga sticker paper, parchment paper, you name it. Basta may paper ako dyan. Tapos, I also have some sketch paper underneath. So, yun sa last layer. And then, yan lang yung printer ko. So, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And comment down below if you have any video suggestions. That's it. And thank you for watching.